Clay sculpture has a long history, dating back to ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia and Egypt, where it was used for both artistic and utilitarian purposes. Clay is a versatile and malleable medium, allowing artists to create sculptures ranging from highly detailed figurative works to abstract forms. Clay is readily available and affordable, making it an accessible medium for artists and art enthusiasts. The natural texture of clay adds a unique character to sculptures, with artists often embracing the imperfections and nuances of the material. Clay sculptures are fired in kilns, a process that transforms the material into a durable and long-lasting form, often enhancing the colors and finishes. Clay sculpture spans various styles, including ceramics, pottery, and ceramic art, with artists experimenting with form, glazes, and surface treatments. Clay sculpture offers a platform for artists to express themselves, conveying emotions, narratives, and concepts through tactile and three-dimensional art.